Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. Hope you are all safe. Children, in a previous class, we have studied about the second lesson, There's a Girl by the Tracks. So, I have explained you about how Roma fell down from the train and what was her condition, and Baleshwar Mishra, who saw this girl lying over the tracks, who was moving in the opposite direction, and he came for help, and but when he saw her lying over the tracks, he carried her gingerly, means nervously, and just he lifted her to the road, and he was pleading everybody for help, but no one stopped. No motorist or any person stopped to help these two. So this was the thing which went in the previous class. Now let us move on the next paragraph, children. Hope you have all the textbook PDF format. Open that and follow me where I read. Just keep a pencil and the book where you can write down the meanings for the hard words. What happened next? That morning on December 10th, 2010, a Friday, Roma Theresa arrived at the call center bright and early. The BCom graduate from Pune had been working there for 2 years, loving her job, talking and connecting to customers and making new friends there. Children, according to this incident, Roma that day, that is in the year 2010, that was Friday, as usual, she arrived to the call center bright and early, means as usual she used to woke up early in the morning and she arrived to her call center. She was a BCom graduate from Pune and she was working there from 2 years. So from past 2 years she was working in that call center. She loved her job. She used to connect to the customers, talking to them, making new friends. So she was actively participating with everybody. She was caring of each and every one of the customer. She loved her job a lot. So this was her character. After work, she went to the cafeteria where she and her friends joked, laughed, and made plans for the weekend. Then, heading home alone after her shift, Roma was looking forward to having supper with her parents and brother and a long phone chat with her fiancé Vijay. Children, at that morning when she arrived to the call center, she completed her job and after her work she went to cafeteria with her friends where they made some jokes, they laughed, and they also planned for the weekend programs. Then heading home alone, afterwards she just wanted to go back to her home. So she was alone after her shift. Roma was looking forward to having supper with her parents and brother and a long chat with her fiancé Vijay. So after she goes home, she'll have the dinner with her parents and brother. She had a brother and she was engaged to Vijay. So her fiancé was Vijay. What do you mean by fiancé, children? The man that a woman is engaged to. So already she got engaged to Vijay. So he was her fiancé. After having supper, she used to have a long chat with her fiancé. Baleshwar Mishra had a very different story. The lanky youngster from Mirzapur, UP, was an unemployed high school dropout who had recently come to Mumbai. Living with his two older brothers, his job hunt had proved fruitless. Children, coming back to Baleshwar Mishra. So we came to know about Roma, her education, her parents, her family members, her job, everything. Now coming back to Baleshwar Mishra. Who is Baleshwar Mishra? He was a lanky youngster from Mirzapur. I mean, lanky means tall and thin. Children, he was a tall and thin boy from Mirzapur, UP. Was an unemployed high school dropout. So he, as I told, he was 20 years old and he was dropout from the school. He was unemployed. He did not had any job. So he has come to Mumbai recently. Living with his two older brothers, his job hunt has proved fruitless. Means he was not at all getting any job. He searched for more jobs but he did not get. It was fruitless. Hunting job was fruitless. So he did not get any jobs. So he was a high school dropout. Now he was treading water and had resigned himself to the fact that he was running out of options. He had spent his day with friend, grabbed lunch and watched a movie. As Baleshwar boarded the train home, he pondered over his future, but all he could now think of was saving a stranger's life. So, this was the story of Baleshwar Mishra, children. When he was treading water, what do you mean by treading water? Making no progress means useless. It was not at all useful. He was, whatever he searched, whatever wherever he goes, it was useless, and had resigned himself to the fact that he was running out of options. He is not at all getting any proper job. Everything, whatever wherever he goes, it was disappointed, and he spent most of his day with his friend and he grabbed his lunch and watched a movie. So that day he tried a lot for the job. He did not get any options. So he just went with his friend and he had a lunch in the afternoon and he even watched a movie with his friend. As Baleshwar boarded the train home, he pondered over his future. Means he, as after finishing all these things, he went into the train to reach his home with thinking that about his future. Pondering means he's thinking, he's deeply thinking about his future, but all he could now think of saving a stranger life. So this was the story before he saw this girl. So now the, at the time being, now what was his condition? He wanted to save the stranger's life. Innumerable motorists drove by, some even slowing down to see the young man struggling to hold the blood covered woman in his arms. Just when he had begun to lose hope, a tempo truck driver pulled over and its driver, a middle aged man, stepped out. Children, innumerable motorists means number of motorists drove by. Some even did not slow down to see the young man who was struggling to hold the blood covered woman in his arms. But nobody observed him, nobody wanted to help him. So, by that time, when he was holding, he lost all his hopes. He thought that nobody will help me. At that time, a tempo truck driver pulled over and its driver, a middle aged man who spoke Gujarati, means he was a Gujarati person, a middle aged man who used to speak Gujarati. He stepped out, he stopped that tempo truck and he came down and he saw this young man holding a lady. So he just jumped out from the truck and he stepped out to see him. Help me, Baleshwar pleaded, and the man helped Baleshwar lay Roma down in the back of his truck. Baleshwar was quickly telling the driver what had happened when a traffic policeman arrived. Take the girl to Airoli, suggested the cop. There's a hospital there. But Baleshwar disagreed. Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away. Children, as the tempo truck driver stepped out, he just pleaded him. He was pleasing him. Just please help me, Baleshwar requested. And the man helped Baleshwar lay Roma down in his back of his truck. So the man was good person. He was a kind man. He helped him by laying Roma at the back of his truck. Baleshwar was quickly telling the driver what happened. So he explained everything to the driver. In the meanwhile, a traffic policeman arrived there, and he also suggested to take the girl to Airoli. A cop means policeman. There's a hospital there. So he suggested Baleshwar to take the girl to Airoli. Airoli is a place where it is 10 kilometers away from the place where these two people are standing. That is Thane district. So even the policeman suggested him to take to Airoli, but Baleshwar disagreed. Why? Because it was 10 kilometers away. She is in very bad condition. So 10 kilometers going and reaching there, it takes lot of time. So he did not accept it. So what happened, children? In the next class, did he take to Airoli? What happened in that place? So did he change the place where he wanted to take Roma for the treatment? Yes, we'll come to know that in the next video. Until then, just please go through the textbook, whatever I have done from the beginning, read everything and clarify your doubts.